Good morning to all. Today we are going to see cyclic numbers, that is 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. If we multiply this number by 1, same. If it is multiplied by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we will get 6-digit number that is having all the 6 digits, that is 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, but in varying sequence. Say for example, if you are multiplying this by 2, we get 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4. And if you are multiplying by 3, we will get 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1. Multiplying by 4, that results in 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8. Multiplying by 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5. Multiplying by 6, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2. If you observe all the 6 numbers, they are having the same digit 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. Suppose I am representing this as a circle, it is as a cycle 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. First number, it starts here and goes like this. The second number starts here and goes. Third number, that starts here and goes. And the fourth number, that starts here and goes. Fifth number starts here and it goes. Sixth number starts here and it goes. That is, all the numbers are having same digits and they goes in a cyclic manner. That is why this is called a cyclic number. Now, we will see how we get this. Say for example, fraction having numerator as 1 is called unit fraction, and the denominator I am using the letter P. Here P denotes prime. What is prime? That is having 1 and the number itself as the divisor. There is no other divisor. Say for example, 2, it's having 1 and 2 as divisor. 3, 1 and 3. 5, 1 and 5. 7, 1 and 7, like this. Numerator 1, denominator any prime. Suppose I am using the prime number 7, means it is normal division. If the division goes on, that will result in the same 6 digits numbers. That is represented by the bar over it. Actually, the prime is 7. Prime minus 1, here 6. So it's having 6 digits. So this is long prime. This is called long prime, and the long prime is always cyclic. Not all primes are long primes. Say for example, 1 by 13 means it produces only 6 digits. That gets repeated. So that's not long prime. 7 is a long prime. The interesting property of the cyclic number I am going to explain. Now 14, 28, 57. And this is a cyclic number. Now I am dividing this into 2 digit having parts, 3 parts, and adding all these 3, 14, 28, 57, that add to 99. And if I am dividing this into 3 digit having 2 parts and adding these 2 3 digit number, that will result in 999. The 6 digits can't be divided into 4 digit having parts. So I am adding another units. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. Now I am dividing this into 3 4 digit having parts. Adding these 3 parts, that totals to 9999. Another interesting property, if you are inserting a 9 in the middle position, nothing will change. That is, if you are multiplying by 2, that is 2, 8, 5, 9, 7, 1, 4. The 9 appears in the middle. The remaining answer is like the previous one we have seen already. Like that, if you multiply by 3, then 4, 2, 8, 9, 5, 7, 1. Again here 9 appears in the middle. Here we are adding one 9. Does it work if you insert 2 9s? Yes, it works. Here instead of 1 9, 2 9 appears in the middle. This works for any number of 9s. You can practice using a calculator. You can add 2 9, 3 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like that. All will have the same digital sequence, but in the middle, how many 9 is added here, that appears here. That's all. Now 7 produces cyclic number. What about other numbers? 17, 19, 23, 29, and the list goes on. 7 produces 6 digit cyclic number. Like that, 17 produces 16 digit cyclic number. 19 produces 18 digit cyclic number. 23 produces 22 digit cyclic number. 29 produces 28 digit cyclic number. That is the prime minus 1. That is called the long prime. So these are all long primes.